Hey guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Space Invaders type game. So here we are playing the example that I made, and what you're doing is when you press the space key, you will shoot a bullet at the little creature, the spaceships, and the spaceships are always pointing towards you and just coming towards you, and you just go as long as you can, and if one of the spaceships touch you, like this, and you have 0 lives. Another cool thing is that the movement, you're slowly, it's really cool. I really like the movement. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so we're in the editor. We're going to delete the cat sprite, and we're going to upload a sprite from your I have a file, so I will put a shareable link down in the description to all of this. So for this spaceship, you want to drag a when flag clicked motion, go to for now x0 y0, and you want to point in direction -90. If it would let me. And then you're going to go to looks, and you're going to grab a set size block and set size to 15% since it's so big. So now when we click the flag, it's pointing the right way. And I just realized that I'm so stupid and that I'm using the enemy ship. I'll be back with you guys in like a second, and I'll have the right ship. Same programming, but the right sprite. I'm sorry, guys, that I did this. Okay, I'm back. Again, I will be leaving a link in the description to this spaceship and all the other sprites that I'm using for this, and except the bullet, which I will be drawing myself, and you can copy me. So far we have some programming set. So dang, I hate when this happens. I'm gonna be with you back in 1 second once I figure out what I'm doing. Okay, I'm back again. All I did was I changed the x coordinates from x0 to y and y0 to x0 y -154. So now we're gonna go to data, and we're gonna make a variable called x speed. Then you're going to drag the set x speed to 0. You're going to grab a forever loop, an if block, go to sensing, key space pressed, and change that key to the right arrow, and then you're going to change x speed by 5. Then you're going to duplicate this and change this to left arrow, and you're going to change this to -5. Okay, so the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be dragging in a motion block, and it's going to be in the forever loop, change x by x speed, and then you're going to do a set x speed to go into operators, get a multiplication, and then you're going to drag the x speed into this one, times 0.9. So now we have, whoa, that is really fast. So maybe we would want to slow it down, probably just a little bit, which is really true. So maybe we could set this to 3 and this to -3. So it would be, oh, that is really fast. Okay, I'm going to check why it's so fast, and I'll be back with you in a few moments. Okay, so I fixed it. Yay. All I had to do was that I messed up. Instead of 0.9, it was supposed to be 0.09, and I changed the X speed by 5 and changed X speed by -5. So now it has a realistic moving spaceship, which is pretty cool. I just realized something that I'm going to fix. You want to actually change it to 0.1 instead. Actually, something's wrong. The animations aren't right, so I'll be back in a few moments with that. Okay. Really, it was not actually the X speed. What the setting X speed was that allows the animation. So when you take, if you can listen to this, I'm gonna show you what it's kind of like. So listen to me press the key, and then I'm gonna press it off. I'm gonna emphasize it. Watch the screen when I press the key, and you'll see that it glides a little bit. Okay, if you could see that, that's pretty cool because it glides a little when it's done moving. So all you had to do was change the X speed, set X speed to X speed times 0.9 again, and then in the if commands you want to change the X speed by 1 and change the X speed by -1. So that's how you fix it. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna be programming is the background, which is technically just gonna sit there and do nothing. So upload a sprite. I'm uploading a sprite from my library. It's loading. Okay, I will leave all the links in the description below. So then you want to go to events, drag a when block clicked, go to X0, Y0. That's all. It's just gonna sit there and be pretty. Okay, so now the spaceship, you want to go to looks, scroll down, and grab a go to front block and just put it at the very start. So now you can see the block. But that looks really weird considering the ship is black and the background's black. So we're gonna go into the costumes and fill with color and fill it with all the black spots that you see with white. I messed up a little. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this part black because it kind of looks cool. And now you have your ship that moves. Now we're going to start with the shooting mechanism. So now we're going to actually paint a new sprite. And we're going to zoom in to 800% and do some pixel art. I'm going to make the bullet a nice blue so it can actually be seen. And now I'm going to increase the size a little, maybe a little less. I hate when I have to do this. This is my least favorite part of the tutorial, teaching you guys how to draw the bullet. Okay, and we've now finished the bullet. We are going to, this is the end of part 1 on the Space Invaders game. I hope you all enjoyed. I will finish the bullet next time, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks. Bye.